I'm going to tell you 5 super easy things that you can do as soon as you finish watching this video that will help make your life easier. Number 1, use ChatGPT wisely to learn as much as you can. AI can help you learn pretty much anything, but you have to be able to use it properly. With something like ChatGPT, don't just type your question in and try to absorb the answer. Instead, ask it to explain the answer as if you were 10 years old, and then build up the complexity as you understand the concept more and more. If you're a student, using this technique will greatly improve your understanding of whatever it is you're learning, and I can almost guarantee that your grades will improve. If you're out of school, use this technique to learn about economics, finance, science, and politics. Concepts that you always hear about on the news but might not fully understand, like negative gearing, tax-free threshold, free trade, variable interest, and even the political system can all be taught to you in a super easy format. If you're an employee or if you own your own business, use ChatGPT to learn as much as you can about your particular field. Number 2, identify the best AI tools for your needs. There are specific programs for writing, music, art, videos, finance, real estate, and fitness. A lot of this stuff is relatively new, and if you can be one of the first people to start using it, you can get ahead of the competition and be closer to achieving your goals. Go online and search for the best AI tools in your industry and start exploring how you can use them to gain a competitive advantage. Number 3, use those AI tools to make yourself more productive and efficient. You don't need to write emails, cover letters, resumes, or anything like that anymore. No need to struggle at a blank screen trying to come up with a witty Instagram caption or some engaging new copy for your website. Instead, write down the basic outline of what you need into ChatGPT and then tweak the answer so that it fits your situation better. Outsourcing to AI can help you create meal and workout plans, budgets, routines, schedules, and timetables. It might take some tinkering, but after about half an hour of specifying what you need, ChatGPT can set you up with a plan to help you achieve even your most ambitious goals. Number 4, get educated on AI. At best, AI will be integrated into your job. At worst, AI will replace your job entirely and leave you redundant. Computer science, data visualization, and statistics are highly sought after skills, and they're becoming more and more important every day. You have the choice of learning them now and getting ahead of the curve, or learning them later when your job is less secure. If you're willing to invest, there are heaps of resources available online, such as DataQuest, DataCamp, and LinkedIn Learning. If they're too pricey, there are also heaps of free courses available on YouTube, Code Academy, and even from prestigious universities like Harvard through the EDX website. Pretty much all of these courses are due at your own pace, so you can do about 20 minutes every single day, and over 6 months or a year, you can be far better positioned to take advantage of a new AI-infused workforce. Who knows, you might even shift career entirely, in which case you might be earning more than you ever have in your life. Now, I'm not saying that you have to be a computer scientist, but the truth is the more technical knowledge and understanding you have, the more valuable you'll be to your workplace, and the more you'll stand out in the job market. Number 5, don't lose focus. AI is not a passing trend. In the next few months, AI will probably lose popularity, similar to what happened with NFTs and crypto. Do not lose interest. Companies and governments are investing billions of dollars into this technology, and in the coming decades, the industry is predicted to be worth over $1 trillion. Even if you stop hearing about AI on the news, don't forget about it if you want to be able to reap the benefits of it while everyone else is playing catch up. To recap, 1, use ChatGPT with a bottom-up approach to learn as much as you possibly can in your field. 2, identify the best AI tools for your industry and situation. 3, outsource as much as you can to AI so that you have more time to focus on the important stuff. 4, if you want more job security, an increased salary, or want to future-proof yourself, take courses in artificial intelligence and computer science. 5, don't lose focus on AI. It's here to stay, and it will be super important whether it's on the news or not. The best part of this is all those 5 things that I've mentioned are completely available to every single person watching this video. Let me know if any of this was helpful, guys. I hope you kick some goals. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.